Hello everyone. Now we're going to discuss about the cross-region replication. The cross-region replication is basically a feature in AWS. It can be used for replicating objects that are stored in a bucket to another bucket. That can be present in the own account or the same account or in another's account. So CRR, that means cross-region replication, is can be used for improving the data availability and reducing the latency and to meet the compliance requirements. And setting up the CRR is pretty easy. Now let's check that. So first you need to log in into your AWS console. This is how it looks. And you need to visit buckets, that is S3. And once you go here, you need to create a bucket. You need to create two buckets. Let's call them let's name them a source bucket and destination bucket. Make sure you need to name them uniquely. And to explain it, like as I've talked, so this is certain of experiment where we're showing the no, we're showing the viewers that the two buckets are being located in different locations. So here we can check that the source bucket is located in US East, and we've named it. And we also need to make sure that the bucket versioning is enabled. Create a bucket. Yeah. So now once source bucket is created, now we need to create destination bucket. And we are, let's say it's located in Ohio, and the bucket version should be enabled. And now we're creating a bucket. So now once these two buckets are created, now let's we can let's just upload any file in the source bucket. We're adding a file. Yeah, it's completed. Yeah. So what we've discussed, if we allow replication, it should work in a way that if we add any sort of files in the source bucket, it should be replicated and it should be also be present in the destination bucket. That is basically cross-region replication. So to enable that, we need to go to source bucket and we need to go to the management. And once you scroll down, you can see replication rules. You should create a replication rule. Just name it. I'm naming it as default rule, and I'm selecting apply to all objects in the bucket. And destination. Choose a bucket in this account and specify a bucket in another account. If we choose this, we need to give a lot of other details like the account ID, the bucket name, and all. And of this, as we're choosing the bucket in this account, we can browse and we can just select the destination bucket and we can choose the path. And now we're creating a new role here. And once this is done, I'm selecting standard. And that's it. Save. Yeah, so this is basically it is asking you whether do you want to replicate the existing objects and do you want like whatever the new objects are that's going to be that are going to be created in that bucket. We are replicating that. So now I'm selecting no, do not replicate existing objects. Now this is done. Now let's add another file in the source bucket. I'm adding this, upload. Now once this is done, you can actually check this file, and once you scroll down you can see that the replication status is still being pending. That means it will still be empty. It will take a few minutes to get replicated. Usually it is fast. Yeah, the replication status is completed. Now if you go back to the buckets and check the destination bucket, you can see this. The same file that we've uploaded in the source bucket, replicate this .txt file, is replicated in destination bucket. So basically this is how cross-region replication works. Thank you for watching.